Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Pinterest so lagging or lagging on phone. This happens when background data gets blocked, so we're going to restart your phone first of all. Then go ahead and go to your settings app, go search for general, and then scroll down, click on background app refresh, and make sure you have toggled the option on for Pinterest as well. Next, we are going to disable loop power mode so animations go smoothly. Go ahead and search for Pinterest in your app store and make sure you guys have updated it to the latest version. If you have not, make sure to update it. Safety tip: do not install speed booster apps, they can cause more lag. Quick fix: reinstall Pinterest or clear junk data, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you.